Hello and welcome to part 3 of the basic tutorial for soldering techniques. Okay, I've gone ahead and finished the soldering of the LEDs, as you can see here, and I went ahead and left the leads on there so that I could show you how you take care of them once you've got the component soldered there. So you'll take your wire cutters here and you'll just go down and get as close as you can to the solder joint there, and you'll just clip them. As you see in there, I'll go ahead and just clip those here. Woo! Flying around everywhere. Alrighty. So that's the end product after you've clipped them all. And we'll just continue going where I left off there. The next part will be the LEDs, and that's basically all these holes here. And this is what will actually be what looks like the dikes that I will be using for the final product of the kit. So you grab the LEDs here, and I don't know if you'll notice here, but on the board you're going to see a positive sign next to the hole. And what you want to do is you want to line that up with your LED. And on the LED there, you can see that there's a long and a short end. The long end goes into the side that has the positive marked on the hole there. So if I slip that in, do the long side in there, just like that. I'll slip in there. Really easy, nice and quick. And I'll just repeat that process for the next 6. There's no rush. Just take your time with these kind of things. Sliding them in. Nice and easy. Remembering to line them all up with, again, the positive with the positive and the negative with the negative. Otherwise it won't work. One more. And then we'll go ahead and repeat the process on the LEDs here. Just flip them upside down, like so. These are a little trickier. There we go. And if I zoom in here, hopefully I can pick up. We're doing some actual soldering here. Okay, once again, putting on some new solder, so I wiped the soldering iron on the sponge there. And just get started soldering. Hopefully I can keep this still where I can get it soldered on there for you. Okay, there's one down and 14 more to go, or 13 more to go, excuse me. Trying to keep these down. I probably should have taped them. I think it would have helped a lot easier, done one at a time and soldered them that way. What I needed to get is a PCB holder. I don't know how many of you are familiar with those. More than likely there's going to be some people that watch this that are going to know what a PCB holder is. But I really need to get one of those because this is just being a pain for me to get them all in here and solder them and everything. So I think what I'll do is just so I don't bore you with the me soldering all these, is I'll cut the video here and come back right when I get done with soldering these LEDs.